Hi, here is the Olympus pen EE2 overall conditions. Okay, here by pulling this to open the back cover, inside will be like this. Then here is a film. For the film, we need to push this rewind knob up. Then only we put the film in and push it down. Make sure it's fully down like this because sometimes you might facing like this kind of problem, like it's stuck. So when it's stuck, you just like turn it a bit and let it lock like that. Then put the film tip inside into here, this hole. Then just insert into it and wind it. Sometimes you might cannot fire the shutter is because the environment is too dark, so it will lock the shutter. Okay, so after we loaded the film, then we just adjust the ISO to here 100. As the sound I film is using 100 ISO, so I just put that like that. And I just wind it and start shooting. As you see, environment is too dark during indoor, so it cannot press the shutter. While if I face to the bright place, yeah, it cannot fire the shutter, which means that the light meter is working lah. Okay, you can adjust the film ISO at here. Then here is for flash use. Like for this, the orange part, you can just shoot no matter how dark the environment is, as it will fix the aperture at here. This one is designed for flash. If you didn't have flash, then you just put according to your film will do. So it's a free focus camera, so you just like using this as a composition, then you just shoot. Then the focus range of this camera is focus free, so as long as the object is 1.2 meter above, then it will be clear. And we just all the way shoot it. And here we record how many shots you have took. And how to know whether you have loaded the film fully used is like when you shoot until like maybe you feel that there's a resistor that you cannot wind anymore, which means that it's finished. And how to know whether you have loaded the film properly? When you wind, look at here, it will move together. Yeah, but sometimes like first few frames it won't move. Just after like the third or the fourth, then it will only move it lah. Okay, and when you should finish the film, press the button at the bottom here, press it, then only you start rewind. Here we have an arrow showing you the way to rewind. So you just rewind until it suddenly comes loose, which means that it's okay. Then we just pull it here up and put the rewind knob up to take out the film and take to develop. So that's it for today, and hope you enjoyed.